Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am cooking yam pepper soup, also known as ukodo. We dey go area today. Make we talk about what we dey take cook. So na goat meat, yam, dry pepper, dry shrimp, crayfish, salt, and the spices. So I dey use Aidan fruits. I no know the Yoruba name, make una tell me if una know. So I dey use Gbafilo. I don't know the English name for this one. I dey use Umilo. I don't know the English name too. I dey use Negro pepper, also known as Ururiye. Seasoning cube. This one are for the soup and this one are for the meat. So I dey use calabash nutmeg, also known as ere. I don't know what the other would they call am. Use the powdered one since I not get the seed plenty. So I dey cook the meat now. I go first boil. I know they like all this way dey for the top. So I go boil and rinse am. Then now I go start to dey put salt. I go come put maggi. Make una look well. The thing wey not dey and I be fresh pepper and onions. Now seeing to cook ukodo with onions and pepper. Fresh pepper I mean. So I go let am cook for like 30 minutes so that the meat go soft small. Because if you put the yam now, it not work. So now the crayfish, now the shrimp, make I start to dey prep. I dey break the head, comot the tail. I go come soak am for water. So the head and the tail, I go grind and join. For this thing. So the crayfish now, you blow all those dirty comot. Select am before you start to dey use am. I go show na wetin one Ijaw lady show me how to select crayfish before I go sit down dey pick am one by one, dey break the head. Now the babe tell me say so na wetin you dey do every time before you cook. So ma show now. So for the bag, put am for bag, or the bag wey be say you buy the thing from market for. Use am whip wall or anything. Use am whip, not go tear the bag o. Then when you don bring am come outside, you go see say the thing no dey chook again, no chuku everything, all the head, those things wey dey chook don break. I bin wan use half of the thing as e dey whole like this put inside the soup, but I can't discover say the spices not plenty, so now I just say make I grind am with the spices. So now you go break all those things comot from the umilo. Now it be the smaller one. Then this other one, you just use your hand press and that the thing go pop. The seed strong go, so I get one hammer. Now I take hammer the thing, so it don't break. Just use about half of this piece what I want use take cook the thing. So you comot the seed for the Negro pepper. Just use something knack and grind the stone or anything. I get hammer. Na hammer they use. Knack and break and knack and small not break the seed join. It not even matter. Just comot the seeds because the seed bitter. If you use the seed, it really bitter. So we'll go add every seed all clean. See no seed. We'll go add that with the remaining crayfish. Wey be say I just want put before, but as the thing not plenty. Now see make I just add the crayfish to grinder. So you just grind the thing. If you get stone, if you use stone, they grind the thing. So this now the blend now. So the Aidan fruits, I tell you, I don't know the Yoruba name. Sometimes I dey break the thing small like this. Break and then later the remaining part I call break. I dey use I really dey manage the thing well. But if you break and small like this, just throw them inside the soup. Use that. This thing really get one kind of nice sweet taste. So peel the yam as usual. See, if you dey peel yam and your hand dey scratch you every time, wear gloves. It go really help you. You no go feel the thing. Because some people want eat yam, they not feel peel am because of fear of scratch. So we go rinse the yam. The meat don dey cook that for 30 minutes. So it done, but it never really soft well. So now we go throw all the yam in. So if you are new to my channel, this is a good time to hit the subscribe button. Click the notification bell to get alerts whenever I upload any video. Like the video, share it, invite your friends. Thank you for all those that have subscribed. God bless you. Thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate it. So you go mix them together, let the yam go bottom, make the yam start to dey cook too. But we'll still put water. We're not going to leave her like this. We'll go put water so that water go cover and the yam too go cook for like 30 minutes. So we'll start to dey put the spices. So these are the crayfish. You don't say they soak in, so I don't put them inside. I dey add more water so that the water will cover the yam. Then I'll cut it. Now we dey add spices. Now I don't put the Aidan fruit, the spice blend. I don't add the crayfish wey I grind. So I dey put the maggi. So check for salt before you add salt. Oh. So I dey put pepper now. 2 teaspoons of pepper. Put pepper as you like. You know, be say pepper soup, you go overload that with pepper. Oh. Now this na the calabash nutmeg, the grind one. I go put 2 because I don't know how they mix them with something. I want make the thing really catch. So as you check for salt, you go come put salt as you like. So I just put 1 teaspoon. So mixing don't start. I go mix them together. Then I go leave and make the thing cook for a while, for like 30 minutes. So because the yam, we want make the yam break down. We don't want to say, okay, make the yam only done. No. Done, and this thing they go cut thicken the soup small. So after I don't leave and small, I cut the checker now to see how the thing they go. Now if you check, test them, look the yam, whether the thing done they done, look the water level, whether the thing done go down well. So I just dey check the thing. Not me say 30 minutes, I'll just leave am like that. So this na 30 minutes after. Yam done. Carry fork take chook the thing, make you test the yam, see whether the thing done. See, e just enter. The thing done. The soup done as you see. Oh, see now yam pepper soup. So I dey put more water because we still need soup. Not be say we just dey cook the yam and the meat. We need the soup. So now mix am as you like. No care, no dey look say na fish dey inside, you know make e break. Mix am, what make the yam slim down small to thicken the thing. So mix am well as you like. Oh, no sorry for us. As we just put small water, I will leave and make it cook small. So when the thing don dey boil, mix am as you like. No fear, nobody go call police for you. Mix am well. And also make you go melt all the yam. Oh. See the way they mix them. See all the yam as it don't be. You know say the thing don't they shed small. The thing don't they melt. See if you dey want cook ukodo, not go cut your yam small. Oh, all of them go disappear. Cut, I know say I cut into some they cut them bigger than what they cut because the yam must reduce in size. Know how you do them, except not be ukodo you dey cook. See, some people they call them ukwodo, some people they call them ukodo, whichever you call them. You know say as the thing be, see the hair of the yam. When the yam look like this, you know say it already shed the body. So now that one I go join thicken the tea like the way the porridge they be. Now so the ukodo they be, but it not really they thick like porridge that much. So when you dey throw party, some people like to eat this every day, but this is what you dey cook like once in a while when they kill goat, Christmas time, party, now ukodo. So you fit still add green plantain. E dey good well with ukodo. You fit still use dry fish or dry meat or any type of meat to cook the ukodo. Food don ready o. I no dey greedy. Make una come join me. As una dey look the thing o, make una click o, make una subscribe. This is a good time to click and subscribe. Make una support una sister. Like it, share it. I still want make una leave comments for me o. Make una tell me how una dey take dey cook una food. Make una tell me any Urobo food, Nigerian food wey una want make I cook. Hey, see ukodo. See as e dey hot. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Till I see una next time. Oh, bye bye yo.